Rajya Sabha MP Leisemba Sanajauba has demanded Centre to declare Khwarinban Ima Kaithel as a living cultural heritage site, considering its historical significance and its value on women empowerment. The MP drew the attention of Rajya Sabha regarding the demand during 0 hour on the ongoing Parliament session. MP Sanajauba in his speech maintained that the Khwarinban Ima Kaithel is one of the oldest women market in Asia run only by women folks. Apart from holding historical and mythological significance, the market is commercial hub that occupies a vital socio-economic space in the history of Manipur. MP Sanajauba said that the two Nupilal which were fought against the British was initiated by the women folks of this market, and therefore it symbolizes Nari Shakti. He demanded Centre to recognize the Khwarinban Ima Kaithel as a living cultural heritage site under Article 51A and to preserve it as a place of historic interest and national importance under Article 49 of Indian Constitution.
Sir, the Ima Kaithel in Manipuri, Ima means mother and the Kaithel means market, that is mother's market, also popularly known as the Khwarinban Ima Kaithel. Situated at the heart of Imphal city, Manipur is one of the oldest women markets in Asia, run only by women folk, and no male traders are allowed to open stalls or shop there. It has a very long mythological story about its establishment. It is not only a commercial hub, but it also occupies as a vital socio-economic space in the history of Manipur. Sir, the two women uprisings of Manipur, known as the Nupilal of 1904 and 1939, against the British colonial rules, were initiated, organized by the women leaders of this market. This market is a unique symbol of women economic empowerment, and it may be described as a great example of Nari Shakti. Because of its unique nature, its historical significance, and its value of women empowerment, I urge upon the Union government to declare the Ima Kaithel or Khwarinban Ima Kaithel as a living cultural heritage site under Article 51A and to preserve it as a place of historic interest and national importance under Article 49 of Indian Constitution. Thank you, sir.